The 1534D password combination lock is preset to open at WORD3. To set your own password combination, start by choosing your new 5-position combination using letters, numbers, or characters. Create one of your own or select one from the suggestions included in the package. To demonstrate, we'll choose ULOCK. To open the lock for the first time, set the dials so the preset combination WORD3 lines up with the master logo. Lift the shackle and pull the spring-loaded metal end cap off of the body. Remove all of the dials from the lock body. Make sure the red marks stay lined up with the master logo. Slide the dials back onto the lock body so your new combination lines up with the master logo. Here's how it looks with our new combination, ULOCK. Snap the metal end cap back onto the lock body. If the end cap doesn't attach easily, make sure that the dials are positioned right side up. Close the shackle and scramble the dials to lock it. Reopen the lock by setting the dials to your new password combination and lifting the shackle. Don't forget to store your new combination at masterlockvault.com. Master Lock. Tough under fire.